If the arrow in your Google Maps isn't moving when you walk or drive, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through some easy fixes step by step, so you can get your navigation working again. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. That's where all of your account and app settings live. Now scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. Inside, you'll notice a bunch of options that control how Maps behaves. One important setting to check is called Wi-Fi only. If this is turned on, Google Maps might not update your location properly. Go ahead and toggle that off, and then test the app again. If your arrow still isn't moving, stay with me. We've got more to try. Go back to the main menu and tap on Google Location Settings. Make sure the location switch is turned on. This is what allows your phone to actually send its position to the app. Next, tap on Location Services. Here you'll see options like Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. These two are really helpful because they let maps use nearby Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals to improve accuracy, especially if you're in a place with weak GPS. Turn both of those on. Once you've made these changes, restart your phone. A simple restart often refreshes all the settings and clears up small glitches. After your phone turns back on, open Google Maps again and check if your arrow is finally moving smoothly. And that's it. Your navigation should now be working as expected. If this guide helped you, tap that like button. And if you want more simple fixes and tips for everyday apps, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial.